So here in Harwich we are doing many important repairs, and one of those is wiring these shackles. This is the so-called shackle, which holds something in place. And we had the trouble that last time we were sailing, a couple of these came loose up there, taking some lines off and then falling down. And if this falls on your head, it's really bad. And something else up there is loose, which we have to repair then. So if we wire it with a little wire here, as safety, it cannot really come loose and go out. So now I have to go up the mast and do all the shackles in the very top, which is going to be interesting. So now we're sitting here in the lovely little streets of Harwich, and I'm trying fish and chips for the first time in my life. Oh god. It's so fatty and so good. How do you like it? So now we're docked here in a different place in Harwich, and we have this really cool low dock. And while we are repairing the steering and repairing the generator, we also decided to give the hull a new paint, which looks incredible. And we will change the colors a little bit from red to black, so that's also gonna look really cool, I think. Then only like the wood gives the color of the boat, which is the most beautiful part, I think. And because we lost our dinghy, we were lucky to find this small dinghy here, which is pretty useless in wind and current, but at least we have some sort of dinghy now, which is sadly a downgrade from our last dinghy, but maybe it will do the job. We will see. And look at that, everything is torn apart here. This is our generator that is broken, and we pulled it out through this door with a crane we installed on our mizzen boom here. We pulled it through this tight entrance up here on this back deck, and we found in this marina a used one, the same engine like this, that we will install, and really good deal on that, so we're really happy about that. So we just brought away our old broken auxiliary generator engine. We brought the old new one, which we got for really cheap. It's a really old engine, so we don't know if it's gonna start and if it's gonna work, but it's the same engine at least. So right now Rodrigo is really giving it a nice clean. Then we have to repaint the rusty parts, and then we will take it on the boom like a crane on the ship. And also we got done some painting work, and we changed the colors from red to white and black, which looks a lot better, I think. A lot cleaner. And we painted here the side of the deck white instead of red, which makes the boat really look really nice and clean, and it's a lot more bright now, which is really nice.
Pull the boom over and then we can lower it down. So
You see then?
yeah, John, that'd be great
See it
for
on the
you.
pulley? On the,
Yeah.
Now we will use the boom to crane it on deck.
Just a little bit more.
It's more comfortable.
All right, so 1, 2, 3, up. This one seems heavier. Yeah. Hold it, stop.
Always the door.
Okay, up we go. Up. So, gotta pick it up. Okay, perfect. Right there is good.
Yeah, they don't make the loop. So
Yeah, you're gonna have to do it a little bit differently. We'll just go like this. Yeah, I know. We have to push and lower at the same time. There you go. Hang, stop right there. Push back and then down at the same time. Okay. Yeah. Swing it in. Higher. No, it doesn't have to go any higher. It just has to go back. Now come down a little bit slowly. This thing is in the way. We must lower it. Hang on.
yeah.
Is it gonna miss it?
No, I think it's fine. Yeah.
All right. All right, you guys got it from there. Great. That back more. We're gonna move the block back,
Yeah.
and then you can pull it down to the floor. Okay. Slide down, down, all the way down.
He's fighting there with the panel and
There you go. Down, all the way down.
All right.
Perfect. Okay, so we gotta shove it underneath. Yeah, let me free it out. You can come out a little farther, a little farther, a little farther, a little farther. Okay, we'll move this out this way.
This way.
See what happens if we're going to be able to get it up on here. We'll get this up. Careful, it doesn't snap on you. Oh, stop. Okay. A little more. Okay, stop right there.
Oh, this is very in the edge.
it's not so nice.
Right. You got to lift a little bit. Lift. Okay, stop. This is not working. Okay. Then we move this here. They come down. Now come up. Okay, hang on. See if we can go up, okay? Go.
Yeah, I can't go higher than this.
Huh?
No, that's all I can go.
Okay.
I can't go higher.
So let's go over here onto this one.
Okay.
There
There is a house here.
you go. Nothing to it. Okay, now stop it right
Be
there.
sure that's on this.
Stop for a second. Okay, stop.
Oh,
That's
on the edge now.
What's that?
It's up here. We can push it
All
up.
right. No, we can't, this won't go back any further, okay? So just hang on for a second. Bring the stick back this way. We gotta bring it out because we can't go in any further.
Up here is not stable. It's just 1 minute.
I know, we're just gonna, all it has to do is hold for a second. Until we can get this board out farther, then we can do this again.
Okay, let's turn this guy.
Yeah, so now you can swivel
Wait.
it.
It's coming out. It's coming We need out. to go a little bit further.
Get back farther.
Yeah.
Back in. Ready, go up.
Alright.
Wait, my fingers. Okay, hang
Okay,
on.
okay.
Stop.
Looks
All right.
good. Looks good?
Yeah.
Okay, very careful now.
Ah, yeah.
I did it. New drone. This is all thanks to you guys. So yeah, that makes me really happy, and thank you so much for everyone who made this possible. right here in our staysail we have a little bit of rip in our sail, and there was a patch on here, but that patch kind of was ripped and I ripped it out the whole way, and now I have to repatch it, because if you don't do that, the sail, you know, with the wind, there's a lot of pressure on it, and then this small hole here could suddenly rip into a huge hole, and then the sail is basically useless. So that's very important to fix, and yeah, now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. So first I'm gonna start by taking off the old thread here. That's pretty strong thread. And yeah, it's gonna be nice to patch the sail. So the plan is to put a small patch right over where the hole is, and then glue that on both sides a patch, stitch it on, and then make an additional bigger patch over the whole area and also stitch that on. Now I'm gonna put the glue on these patches, and this is special glue that will stay kind of flexible so that the sail can move around and will not rip off the glue right away. So now this is gonna be tricky to put both on both sides. So this is a waxed string, really strong one, and yeah, we have these insanely big needles here to fix all kinds of stuff. So the glue is already hard, it's pretty fast. So now I'm gonna basically stitch through here and get both of these patches at the same time, and yeah, then the first round is done, and then one more patch over everything. Yeah, it's so hard to push this needle through that I kind of need to wear this, and this will help me to be able to push through this needle. It's really thick fabric here. One of the best things here in the Labora is definitely when you're working on something, you're getting exhausted, you're getting hungry, and then suddenly you hear someone screaming, "Food is ready!" And then you know someone cooked something very delicious in the galley. So what I've got today, ooh, lovely rice dish, vegetables, and a nice salad. There you have it. Finally it's done. It took me literally the whole day. Yeah, seems to be really solid again, and it will hopefully last forever like that. And I can already smell the dinner. Some fried potatoes. Amazing.
How does it look like?
Whoa, it looks amazing. It's almost like French fries.
I hope that it will taste amazing as well.
Better. By the way, let me introduce you to our newest crew member, Yuri.
Hi
from
there.
Sweden. Nice to have you, and thank you for making dinner.
You're mostly welcome, and thanks for nice to have me.
Yes. So right now I'm writing the next postcards for my Patreons, and this time I made like a picture of the boat, like a custom Labora postcard, and I'm gonna write them, and I printed them out and glued them on a piece of cartonnage. So that's gonna be maybe the next postcard, custom Labora postcards. And also I kind of forgot to ask all these crew members on the Labora about the question I want to ask as many people as possible in the world. So maybe this time, Macarena, maybe you want to help me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello.
Macarena, Teresa, Consuela Gonzalez. How would the world of your dreams look like?
My dreams.
The world of your dreams.
Everybody very happy, singing and dancing, cooking,
Yeah.
sailing, and traveling.
Great. Sounds like a good world. Thank you for your input.
Welcome. Thanks to you.
Wow, look how wonderful and white everything now looks. So nice and clean.